This week I've been covering a manslaughter trial at Saskatoon Court of Queen's Bench where Gabriel Joseph Faucher is accused of causing the death of his girlfriend, 36-year-old Beverly Little Crow. Now, the accusation is that Little Crow and Faucher had been in an argument, and that an alleged domestic assault is what led to Little Crow's death in January of 2016. However, we've been hearing police interviews in court between the accused Faucher and police officers, both before and after he was charged. And in those interviews, Faucher says that his girlfriend just fell on him in bed in the middle of the night, and when he turned on the light, she was unconscious. Now, he believes that she fell and hit her head on a wall in the bedroom because there was a large dent in the wall, and there are pictures to prove that. However, he's saying that he has no idea how she actually became unconscious. Now, what we have heard is that the victim had a prior brain injury from about 13 years ago where she had been assaulted, and that this injury made her unbalanced. So Faucher saying that his girlfriend would often fall because of this prior brain injury. Medical evidence that we heard today, however, says that it's not quite possible to experience the type of fatal head injury that Little Crow had by simply falling into a wall. The dent that was made would have required a significant force. So the thought is that if Little Crow's head did hit the wall, it would have been through something much stronger. What we've heard in court is that the type of injury she had, which is a subdural hematoma, a brain bleed, would have required either a collision, a great fall, like a fall from a great height, or an assault. A girl who we aren't able to name, her name is banned from publication, did testify earlier in the trial that she heard Faucher and Little Crow arguing the 2 nights prior to Little Crow's death, and that she actually saw a fight break out between them in which Faucher allegedly punched Little Crow 5 times and pushed her into a dresser where she allegedly hit her head, according to the girl. We've heard that there was a large bruise around the victim's eye at the time of her death, as well as bruising all over her body. And actually, a police officer yesterday had a pretty intense quote where he said that the woman was basically a human pinata. The trial is scheduled to continue next week, and where we will continue to hear the Crown's evidence.